Welcome! If you're looking to block a friend on Snapchat in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you need some privacy or just want to tidy up your friends list, blocking someone is quick and easy. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look to the very top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can access all your account details. From here, scroll down until you see the section labeled My Friends. Tap on it to bring up your full friends list. Now, take a moment to find the friend you want to block. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate their name. Once you've found the friend, press and hold down on their name. After a second, a menu will pop up with several options. Look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of this menu and tap on them. This will open up even more settings for managing your friendship. Next, tap on Manage Friendship. You'll see a few choices here, but the one you want is Block. Tap on Block, and Snapchat will ask you to confirm your decision. If you're sure, tap Block again in the confirmation box. That's it. You've now successfully blocked this person. They won't be able to contact you, view your snaps, or see your location on SnapMap. Blocking is a great way to maintain your privacy and control who can interact with you on Snapchat. If you ever change your mind, you can always unblock someone later by going back into your settings and managing your blocked users. But for now, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Snapchat tips.